Welcome back everyone. In today's quick tips video we are going to discuss the 3 different paper types you can use when working with the VersiFlex decorating system. Because VersiFlex allows you to print and press onto a variety of materials, you will need to switch between paper types depending on what project you are working on. Underneath the Job Settings section of Print Utility, there is a menu that allows you to change the product that you are working with. When you select a traditional sublimation material, your paper type menu allows you to choose from a variety of sublimation paper types. If you choose a VersiFlex-friendly material such as cotton or other natural fabrics, the paper type will automatically adjust to VersiFlex paper. The last option is if you indicate that you will be using heat transfer vinyl, the paper type will automatically adjust to heat transfer vinyl. That's all for today. See you next time.